Mga silingan, mamahaw tao, ban sa yaw-yaw ni Eloy Bogres.
Your request to have a debate with the second highest position in the Philippines is not a legal man, does not hold any legal mandate. She's been chosen by 32 million people. Ano ang executive order na meron kang bilat sing Eloy mo? She is not even obliged to look at you for a fucking fraction of a second. Ano nga legal mandate meron ka, uy, gaga, babalo, pitos? You're being noisy and fucking social media does not entitle you to tell her, hoy, debate with me. Kung hindi ka mahangag, you're being a vloggerist or somebody who claims to be an influencer does not give you the right to tell her, I am a taxpayer. So come here and relaxing Eloy, debate with me. Considering your fucking background, ano ka, isa ka tutor sa mga Koreano, bilaksing Eloy? Mabais ka, madibati ka sa babae, bubuyuha sa fucking high caliber track record. Mayor, abogada, vice president. Tapos bilaksing Eloy, here comes the babalo, BBM, para yun respond sa kanila. That was a retaliation. Because hindi nila ginapigilan si Sarah, who the fuck are you anyway? Magkano ba ang total yung diputa nga binayad mo sa SSS, GSIS mo kapag ibig? Magkano ba ang tax bilat sing Eloy na compound interest? Daily trailing compound interest.